Finally, light, shadow and images. Today with a few answers we are completing this topic. Okay, already I gave the objective and few question answers I gave, and today we are going with another few more question answers. In that, the first one is how the images formed. First question is how the images formed appear to us. Let us see this answer. So please check the answer here. What does that mean? How the images formed appear to us. For that, when light falls on falls on the objects only, it bounces back. This is called reflection. Due to reflection from the surface of the object, the rays moves away from the object. What is happening when the reflection falls on that particular surface? The rays move away from the object, and if these reflected rays incident on that falls on the retina of our eye, when the command fall on retina of our eye, that makes the image of the object on the retina and creates a sensation of vision. So what is happening? The light rays come and fall on the mirror and they bounce back, and what will happen? Again they reflect. Okay, at that moment we can see our image in the mirror. This is how the image formed appear to us. Let us go for the next answer. Now we are going to discuss about shadow puppetry. What is meant by shadow puppetry? Write a note on shadow puppetry. Answer for this one is shadow puppetry is one of our So coming here, what is the topic? Write a note on shadow puppetry. For that, what is the answer means? Shadow puppetry is one of our traditional recreational activity. Okay, what are the points? How they will take? Some puppetry is used to form shadows on a screen. A story is narrated with the help of these shadows. They'll tell about, as I said for you, about Ramayana, about Mahabharata, or how the people struggle in British rule. These all things we can narrate by using these puppetries. And so you can try to make puppets and show for your family members or your brothers and sisters to explain about this shadow puppetry show. Did you understand? It is a traditional recreational activity. Let us go for the next answer. Now third one. This is a very interesting and very important answer. See the question. We get the full image of the tree in pinhole camera, but when we put a candle, okay, in front of the pinhole camera, we get the image of the flame only, but not the candle. What is the reason for this one? See, when we see from the pinhole camera a big tree also, we can look whole tree from that one. But when we are taking candle, we can see only the flame, but we cannot see the down part. What is the reason for that one? He is asking. So let us write the answer now. Now, so now please check the answer. Why it is happening like that means here comes the point. Now look at the tree through the pinhole camera. What will happen as the light reflected from the tree is uniform in the the complete image of the tree is obtained as an image in the pinhole camera. But in the case of flame of the candle, the light from the flame reaches the pinhole camera. Catch the point here. In the case of a flame of the candle, the light from the flame reaches the pinhole camera. So the reason is, what is the reason why we can see full image of the tree and only the flame of the candle means, for that the reason is the intensity of light from the flame is more than the intensity of light coming from the candle. What is the point that one? The reason is the intensity of light from the flame is more than the intensity of light coming from the candle. Did you catch the point? Let us go for the next one. Can an object form two or more shadows at the same time? How? This is the question. Now coming to the answer. So let us check here. Can an object form two or more shadows at the same time? How? Yes, it can form two or more shadows. How it will happen? A shadow is caused by the interruption of light from a single source. If you have more than one light source, you can have more number of shadows. If you have more than one, what is that? If you have more than one light, you can have more than one shadow. Means you can, yes. Some shadows may not be as distinct and the multiple shadows will be practically always overlap to some extent. Did you catch the point? With this, today we are completing. Tomorrow I will continue. Thank you.